Hello everyone! Today we're going to bake double chocolate vegan muffins. I really don't have any recipe, but I'm going to create from what I found in my pantry and my refrigerator, and I show you what I have. I have whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, cocoa, coconut oil, vegan butter, baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chips, vegan yogurt, a little bit brown sugar, and my favorite milk. Let's start. I will take 1.5 cup of milk, one, two, three, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, okay. Next, 1/4 of cup melt vegan butter with coconut oil. I did 50-50. One teaspoon of baking powder, one teaspoon of baking soda, mix all together. And then we're going to add brown sugar. I did 2 cups of 1/4. You can do 1.5 cup of brown sugar. I just didn't have clean cup, measuring cup. Mix all together again. So I have a little bit of espresso coffee, just a little taste. It's decaf. So I'm going to add cocoa, 1 tablespoon. I think it's going to be enough to have 3 tablespoons of cocoa. Please add your chocolate chips. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot. Mix all together. I have half cup of all-purpose flour and I'm mixing that, and I add another half cup of whole wheat flour and mix all together. Muffin pastry is ready. Looks good. bake 350 around 20 minutes. Let's check if muffins are ready. So we don't see anything, it means it's ready. Thank you so much for watching my video and enjoy your muffins. See you later.